Good evening, everyone. Today we'll be working on how to split our text. So today we can see here we have name of 10 people and we'll be splitting them into two different columns. That is, we've been required to split the name into first name and surname. So what do? We highlight those texts, click shift. In case if you have a large database, click Ctrl Shift, then you put down button, and then we go to the data tab, which is here. From here we'll go to text to columns. This is text to column, then we'll click on text to column, then we click on delimited, and then we click on next. From there, what is separating our word is space, so we'll click on space, and then we'll click on next. The next thing is to click on finish. So they said there's data already, do you want to replace it? Yes, we want to replace it. We click OK. You can see it has been splitted. You can see it has been splitted into two. Then we can just rename it first name and surname. And that's all. So when we have large data sets, so this is just what we will do, and then our text will be splitted into two. So easy and straightforward.